Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best LED headlight available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick: foreign LED headlight. These foreign LED headlight bulbs deliver a significant upgrade in nighttime driving performance, combining advanced linear decoding technology with a built-in intelligent IC driver for broad vehicle compatibility and stable operation across more than 95% of vehicles. CAN bus readiness helps minimize common issues such as error warnings, flickering, and radio interference, although some sensitive vehicle models may still require an additional decoder for full compatibility. The standout feature is the optimized beam pattern, engineered with a sharp cutoff line that reduces glare for oncoming traffic while maintaining a wide and focused field of illumination. The ultra-thin 0.03-inch chip design improves beam concentration, eliminating dark spots and shadows for clearer road visibility. With brightness increased by up to 1,300% over stock halogen bulbs, they significantly enhance reaction time and road awareness. The 1:1 mini design ensures easy installation without housing space issues, making it a practical and powerful lighting upgrade. Next up, we have Headlight LED headlight. This S6 Pro lighting system delivers a major upgrade in automotive visibility, offering up to 1,000% increased brightness over standard halogen bulbs, significantly improving nighttime road clarity and driving confidence. Built with advanced anti-aging gold welding technology, it ensures stable illumination performance while enhancing durability under continuous use. The design emphasizes longevity, with an impressive 80,000 plus hour lifespan supported by a 56 mm copper conical air duct and a high-speed 25,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan, which together provide efficient heat dissipation even in demanding conditions. Installation is highly convenient thanks to its true plug-and-play, all-in-one structure that matches stock bulb dimensions, allowing a quick 3-minute replacement without external drivers or complex wiring. Next-generation CAN bus compatibility ensures near-universal vehicle fitment with minimal errors or flickering, while support is available for sensitive models requiring decoders. With IP68 rated protection, it performs reliably in harsh weather and rugged environments, making it a powerful, durable, and user-friendly lighting upgrade solution. Coming in at number 3: aux beam LED headlight. This lighting solution delivers a striking upgrade in visibility with a perfectly uniform beam that eliminates dark spots and shadows while maintaining a controlled output that avoids harsh glare to oncoming traffic. Designed in a true 1:1 mini size, it closely replicates the original bulb dimensions, ensuring effortless plug-and-play installation that fits directly into factory sockets without modification, typically completing setup within minutes. The all-in-one metal construction stands out for its durability, removing the need for external adapters, plastic plugs, or bulky wiring harnesses, resulting in a clean and factory-like integration. Built for endurance, it incorporates a 5-layer cooling system featuring a high-speed 15,000 revolutions per minute silent fan, pure copper baseboard, and waterfall-style heat sinks combined with an all-aluminum body to efficiently dissipate heat during extended operation. This robust thermal management not only enhances performance stability but also contributes to long-term reliability, making it a solid choice for drivers seeking powerful illumination with a compact, heavy-duty, and maintenance-free design. Now at number 4: Foreigner LED headlight. This high-performance lighting system stands out with its ultra-bright 80,000 lumen output and 6,500 K cool white CSP chips, delivering a dramatic 900% brightness boost over standard halogen bulbs. The daylight-like beam significantly improves nighttime visibility, cutting through darkness, fog, and rain while expanding both distance and width of road coverage, allowing earlier detection of signs, obstacles, and pedestrians for safer driving in all conditions. Engineered with a true halogen-style 1:1 beam pattern, the 9005/9006 bulbs maintain a precise, focused light distribution that reduces glare for oncoming traffic while maximizing clarity for the driver. Built for long-term reliability, the aviation-grade aluminum housing combined with a thermostatic copper plate ensures efficient heat dissipation, supporting an impressive lifespan of up to 60,000 hours with IP68 waterproof protection for all weather durability. The compact 1:1 mini design eliminates external drivers and extra wiring, enabling a quick, plug-and-play installation in just minutes without modification. And finally, our last pick: Automotive LED headlight. This LED fog light set delivers a strong upgrade in visibility with 6000 lm per set output powered by advanced CSP LED chips, producing a crisp 6500 K white light that is around 300% brighter than standard halogen bulbs. The enhanced beam allows drivers to see farther and wider at night, significantly improving reaction time and road awareness in foggy, dark, or low visibility conditions. Designed with a precise 1:1 filament position, it replicates the factory halogen beam pattern to ensure a safe, uniform 360 degrees illumination with no shadows or dark spots, reducing glare while maximizing usable road light. The fanless design not only eliminates noise but also prevents dust ingress, contributing to greater reliability over time. Built from aviation-grade aluminum, the compact all-in-one structure provides efficient heat dissipation, supporting a long lifespan of up to 30,000 hours. With its plug-and-play setup, installation is quick and straightforward, typically completed in about 10 minutes without modifications. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.